Thank you for joining in, and for today's class is the watercolor pencils for beginners. What you are going to learn are some blending techniques, how to mix your colors, how to create fun textures, and some bonus tips. This class also has 3 different projects that you can choose from. We have the landscape, the plant, and the lemon. All of these are beginner friendly, and also in the very beginning, I do recommend that you make a color chart with swatches for all of your pencils there. That way you can see what they look like when you add the water and after everything is dry, because sometimes the colors do appear different. And now we're ready to jump right into the class. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my other classes. I have other projects, including the watercolor pencils. I have some roses and a few other projects too that are easy for beginners. So you can feel free to head on over and check out those projects. And I also have regular watercolor and acrylic painting as well.